Hey y'all, so I'm back with another voiceover. So listen, you may hear water in the background. That's because Cece begged me to go to the pool today, so I had to take her to the pool and I had to do this voiceover. So I went ahead and knocked out both things at once. Now listen, y'all, I went ahead and made some lettuce wraps. Instead of paying $10 to $12 for a lettuce wrap at the store, I went ahead and made it myself. I went ahead and cooked up some chicken in the air fryer, took it out, cut it up, put it in a skillet. And no, I did not use any butters or oil, just a little bit of water. I threw my tomatoes in there, my onions in there, and yes, I threw some lettuce in there. I do not like cold food, so mind y'all business. And if you want to put some lettuce in the skillet too, y'all do that too, okay? I put a little bit of mayo because listen, that's what you put in on a sandwich, right? So I did all of that and some banana peppers, cooked it up real good, added that cheese on there, y'all. It was so good. It may look a little gross, but listen, y'all, it was good, okay? It was real good.